In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet dynamic views. To get started, open your browser and go to the Smartsheet homepage. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your workspaces and sheets. Once you're on the home screen, look for the section that lists your workspaces. This is usually on the left-hand side. Click the workspace where your project lives. In this example, we'll open a workspace that contains a project called First Project. Inside that workspace, you'll see a list of items such as sheets, reports, and dashboards. Go ahead and click on First Project to expand it, and then select the item called Project Sheet. If you see Project Sheet more than once, just choose the main sheet you use to track tasks for that project. This sheet is what we'll use to explore the different dynamic views that Smartsheet offers. When the project sheet opens, you'll notice a menu of view options along the top of the sheet. These views all show the same data but in different formats, which is what makes them so powerful. First, click on the Calendar view. Calendar view is great for seeing your tasks laid out by date, which is especially helpful for deadlines and time-based planning. Next, switch from Calendar to the new Table view. This view is similar to a traditional grid, but it's optimized for a more modern, streamlined experience. It's ideal if you like working with rows and columns, but still want quick access to additional details. Use this when you need to sort, filter, or scan a lot of information at once. Now click on Board View. If you work with stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done, this Kanban-style layout will feel very natural. Each task appears as a card that you can move between columns. Click into a task card to open it and review details, update fields, or change status. This is perfect for managing workflows and visualizing progress at a glance. From there, move over to Timeline view. Timeline lets you see tasks along a horizontal time axis, grouped by things like project phase or owner. It's especially useful for understanding overlaps and dependencies across your work. After reviewing the timeline, click back into Grid view, then switch into Gantt view. Gantt combines your task list with a visual schedule, so you can see start and end dates, durations, and dependencies together. Finally, try Card and Calendar views again so you can compare how the same project data appears in each layout. By moving through these views, you can choose the one that best matches how you and your team like to work, all from the same underlying Smartsheet.